Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to share Arnav's current favorite top 10 toys. For people who are new to this channel, Arnav is 2 years old and the toys we have chosen in this video are both fun and educational and his top favorites currently. So let's jump into the video. Our first set of toys are stacking and sorting toys. We got this particular shape sorting toy from Amazon. It doesn't have any sharp edges. They're soft wooden blocks, so they're safe for kids and big in size, so there's no choking hazard. This comes with 5 different shapes of different colors. I use this to teach him counting as well as colors. You get a lot of stacking toys in the market. This is another interesting one. It has 3 layers which can be stacked on top of each other. Also, it has 3 shapes cut out on top, and there are few additional pieces that can be assembled like this. It has wheels in the bottom and a string attached which kids can pull along. I'll leave the links of all these toys in the description below. Our next toy is puzzles. Both fun as well as good for brain development. This is a 2-piece puzzle which I have already shared in my previous video. It is a big 2-piece puzzle which is easy to assemble and fun to play with. Next one is a sea animal puzzle. It has small sea creatures cut out in the cardboard, where kids have to match the picture and fix the cutout portion. It is slightly complex than the first puzzle. There are 8 different sea creatures in this box. The next puzzle is slightly complex than the previous 2. They are 4 to 5 piece puzzles of animals and different vehicles. Once your kids are comfortable with the first 2, you can make them solve these. They may not be able to fix it in the first go, but keep showing and repeating this activity. The next one is any kind of writing boards. It's good to let children scribble on a board or slate with chalk. We got different colored chalk pieces and a duster. Or we get these magnetic slates with a pen where the children can write and erase it off. Our next one is indoor ride-on toys. When you buy a ride-on, make sure they have no sharp edges. They should be of good sturdy material and should have back wheel support so it doesn't flip over. Some of them come with lights, horns and musical buttons, which adds to the fun. Indoor physical activity is very important, so I would recommend one of these ride-ons. Next one is Play-Doh, slime or kinetic sand. This box, as you can see, contains 5 colors. It also has many different shapes and animal molds. There are different accessories like knife, cutter. Whenever you buy a Play-Doh set, ensure you buy a good quality one. There are low quality ones in the market which go bad over 1 or 2 weeks of play. Always remember, keep the clay inside airtight box after play, else it gets rough and difficult to remold. Dough is a great way for kids to explore their creativity and also good for their sensory development. Try to introduce books as early as possible. There are many different types of books in the market which are available that you can give a try. Arnav's very first book collection included these small cardboard books which had numbers, ABC, wild animals. These are Peppa Pig short story books which have daily activities and many such short stories. This is a first 1000 words Peppa sticker book with easy peel off stickers. I give him 1 or 2 stickers every day to stick. As you can see, this book has a lot of household items that you can teach your kids every day. In addition to number and colors, also try to introduce storybooks. Read 1 or 2 stories to your child at bedtime. They will definitely enjoy it. This is a picture dictionary, which I would recommend to everyone. Kids can relate a lot of things from this book. It has good sized object pictures. Learning new words can be difficult, so it is important to start learning at an early stage. These are a few coloring books that I got for Arnav. They have big colored pictures on one side and drawings on the other. I give him crayons or sketch pens and I show him how to match the colors. This is a very economic way of engaging your toddler and a fun activity too. Every kid loves soft toys. Different stuffed animals help children recognize familiar words like cat, dog, teddy. It helps child act out playful role-playing scenes. Arnav himself named his favorite teddy friend Cuckoo. So encourage them to play with them, create various scenes. Stuffed toys may be child's first real friends. Next one is any role play kit like a doctor set, cooking kit or a makeup set. We got Arnav this doctor set. It has basic tools like a stethoscope, a pair of glasses, injection, thermometer, first aid kit. You might have to play with your child for a couple of times to teach them. Believe me, they learn fast and come up with their own ideas as well. I'm sure everyone with a child in this stage would have a building block set. The one we got is a basic 100-piece set. It has different shapes and colored blocks. This set has wagon-shaped blocks with wheels and connectors which can be used to make vehicles. The bigger the blocks, it's easier to hold and assemble. It is a must-have for 2 to 4-year-old kids to awaken their creativity. The last set of toys in this video is his animal set. We have two sets, one of which is big in size and the other is small. This helped me teach him difference in size between the same object. He himself picks the toys and says big zebra and small zebra. We can also teach them the animal names, the sounds that they make. It's now easy for him to relate. He does pretend play quite often and enjoys them too. I have not covered all his toys here. One of his favorites is cars, but since we have shown them in previous videos, I have not covered them here. There are three things that we make sure that we follow. Firstly, we don't encourage toys with bright and flashy lights. Secondly, we encourage more of free play, where we give more freedom to the child to develop the game in any direction they want. And the third one is always rotate your toys. Meaning, instead of having all the toys in the house out at once, you divide them into smaller, more manageable groups and switch them around on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up.